guys, welcome back for another preview. This model kit is massive. Comparing it to the Granddaddy Gundam, this is really huge. This includes LEDs. This enhanced the display option. And they have also included this funnel effects part to enhance your model while displaying this on this action base. The action base comes with decals. And this also includes the platform to access the pilot cockpit. We get a three-tone color of green here for the outer armor, and an orange piping detail which is actually true to the actual Bandai design. For the actual inner frame or psycho frame, they also incorporated silver, bit of orange, and gold to enhance the details. I am hoping that they would release an actual clear color for the outer armor pieces to display this amazing inner frame. They have also implemented locking mechanisms on the binder arms so that when you're displaying this model, it will not go out of place. And judging from the shake test, this model kit is really stable. They have also advertised that this model kit will have at least 89 points of articulation. I guess the head triggers the LED on the chest there. To access the mono eye, you have to use a toothpick. The pilot cockpit also has LED inside. And I was happy that we get a pilot figure inside the cockpit. The battery is cleverly hidden at the back. We also have this opening panel gimmick at the chest. Same at the back for the hidden thrusters, which can extend like this. They have also maximized the actual shoulder movement for dynamic poses options. Even the wrist has hatch opening gimmicks. And they have cleverly hidden the beam saber handle on the wrist. This really has really good waist movement. It can even bend like this. And the skirt armor also offers opening hatch gimmick and sliding mechanisms as shown on the video. And this also have some hidden thruster canister, which is really cool in its own. Even the crotch and the thigh armor pieces has opening hatch gimmicks as well. And the leg articulation is really up there. It could do the splits, and it has a sliding thigh mechanism as shown on the video, as well as other movement which actually enhance your display options and gimmicks for this model kit. And comparing it to the Elin Satria, this one has a solid constitution in terms of articulation and in posing. The actual funnel here is actually well detailed. It really has cool color separation, combining with clear parts and actual metallic colors. And it also offers a lot of panel opening gimmicks for enhanced display options. They have cleverly hidden the battery here for the LED options. They have also implemented lighting piping gimmicks when the funnel is in deployed mode. But for it to be noticed, you'll have to turn off the lights. And just for the inner frame alone, I'm really excited getting this model kit because this is really have good gimmicks and lighting options that could actually be a centerpiece on your collection. We get 2 boxes for the runners and 1 box for the LEDs. And here is the runner preview so you could judge for yourself if the details are really crisp and sharp. This will also include water slide decals and some stickers. And the manual cover has a Verka feel to it. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.